Hello trader, this is week start analysis on DXY. After the NFP, we saw that there was a sudden breakdown on DXY with the negative data came with the NFP. So this week, let's see what kind of movement we can expect on DXY. Starting with the first of all bigger picture to see overall direction in this market. Now, looking at monthly chart on DXY, we can see that from the monthly, this is the monthly impulse on DXY from this level with this stronger impulse back below. And as the market from the monthly is in a very strong bearish move, we have seen that there was a monthly pullback with DXY. Previous months followed by this month, so we can see from this high the price again got that rejection back, and this is the NFP move that we have seen. And as this market is in a downtrend, we can expect DXY potentially to remain bearish here to create a new lower low. Now, if we look at the weekly chart here on DXY, we can see that from the weekly, this is sharply bearish. We have seen there is a 10 and 20 EMA crossover with a stronger drop back below, and with that crossover from the weekly, we see there is a downtrend continuation. Followed by this week, we saw an unusual move back to the upside, and that move we can see it's completely rejected from this liquidity zone, and that rejection may potentially continue to drop here to the direction to create a new lower low in this market. So from the weekly as well, we can see DXY potentially to remain bearish. Now, looking at daily chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the daily also bearish price action. This is the daily bearish engulfer with a long bearish red candle. And if we look at the high, we can see that there is also a bearish engulfer here from the daily, and the price almost rejected from the same level with a stronger momentum. And this is also the NFP price action where the market with the data backed by fundamental, we can see price action showing that potential long-term trend continuation. Here is the DXY bearish price action was maintaining that series of high lower high, and except this move here, we can see break of this trend line, and now we can see the market again rejecting back below. So that move may extend further here, and I think the price potentially come back here to this support or even to create a new lower low. Now, if we look at the intraday or the 4-hour chart here on DXY, where the market is showing this is a complete breakup structure on the intraday with a head and shoulder formation, which is showing that DXY may potentially continue to drop here to this support level. So this is where what I think DXY may create a liquidity gap in that area and potentially continue to trend back down. So this could be the wave on DXY, and that could mirror on euro dollar and British pound US dollar throughout the week. So tomorrow, guys, I will be also giving you more update on this. Make sure you stay connected by joining the Telegram. You can find link below this video for more updated education as well as analysis like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.